Hi guys, this is the second part of what Shopkins are in these. Mommy is gonna draw first. Hey, I was gonna get that. Is there another big one?
Alright, draw your other 4 since I gave you one. Our table's wobbly.
Can I do it first since you got to draw first?
I guess.
This is a pink egg.
Alright, who we got? Here, I'll hold them up there.
We got Handy handbag.
Heidi handbag. This is the spring colors. This came out of one of the Easter eggs again.
And this is cherry chair.
I think that's comfy chair or something.
Yeah, comfy chair.
So. Alright, here's a baseball egg. Let's see what's in it. Was that Tommy top hat or something like that?
No. Hattie hat.
No, it's not Hattie hat.
Hattie hat.
Some kind of top hat. And this is Nettie spaghetti, I think.
No, Hattie hat.
And another asparagus.
We got a baseball on this side and a
Football on one side, basketball on the other.
yeah. We got a special edition.
This is one of the tuna cans. I think Tina Tuna.
Yeah.
And this is the pet shop one from season 4. Sparkly.
And Hanny handbag.
No, this is Sasha Belt, and this is the spring color Sasha Belt from one of the Easter eggs again. All right.
2 spring colors in a row.
I'm gonna do this pretty egg. I like it. Let's see, what do we
There's
got?
2 more of those.
We got Fish Flake Jake, the little fish food. And we got both colors of the jam petkins. So we got 3 petkins in that one.
That's jam. We got
Something
this.
jam.
We got this pretty little
Yellow
yellow
egg.
head.
So what's in it?
We got Miss Prezi,
In green.
and we got Toasty.
No, I think this is Flutter Cake.
No.
I can't remember what this one's called. Like I said, we don't have our list, so I can't remember some of them.
It's from season 4, though.
Alright. I'll do this little yellow one.
It's not yellow.
Terry Taco!
It's not yellow.
Orange, whatever color it is.
It's
And
light
Scony.
orange. It's light orange.
Alright, what's in your next one?
And I got a minty blue color, and we're gonna open it.
If it'll open. Alright, here we got. We'll get. Alright, we have. Who is it?
Birthday Betty.
Birthday Betty in green.
Another Cheese Louise. And another Cheese Louise.
Oh, that's the. Oh, those are the chocolate frosted cheese Louise. Both of those are.
Ouch.
Oop, you alright? I'm gonna do this green egg.
I got it.
Sparkly wobbles. That one's wobbles. I don't remember what the other one is, but sparkly wobbles. And the cherries. The
Cherry twins.
Little cherry twins. Those are cute. Alright. What you got?
A big purple egg.
Alright, that one's probably got a lot in it.
Oh, it does.
Alright, we'll set it down. Well, first one that came rolling out was macaroon.
And macaroon.
So we got the pink and the white and the purple macaroons. Alright, who's next?
Lollipoppins. Sorry.
Alright, let's see if I can get a better look. Remember that one's name?
I'm trying to think of it.
What? Got a lot of them in there. Here, I remember.
No,
I remember.
I remember. Rainbow Bite.
Alright.
Candy Apple.
Not there. There we go.
Oh, this is one of my favorites. Cookie.
Yep. Well, this one that fell out is another crescent.
And another crescent.
I think those are the food fair ones. You can put it over there next to the chocolava.
Ice cream dream. We got the other one in the first part of this.
Yeah.
So pretty. She has dreams in her life. Rainbow Bite. Again. She looks just like the other one.
No, they've got different colors. I think the only thing that's the same is this part right here.
Yeah.
We're actually going to start another row right here.
Minty.
Yep. Oh, goodness. You alright?
I'll be back in a minute. I need to get something to drink.
Okay, I'll finish this one up for you.
Okay.
Alright. Banana splitty.
I'll be back in a minute, guys.
And Pamela pancakes, I think. And little cupcake chick, I think, or something like that. I got two of those. Fifi fruit tart. Got another Fifi fruit tart. And another Millie milkshake. Alrighty. Settle down. Careful. Our table's not flat. Alright, so I've got my bright pink egg, so let's see what's in it. Alright.
One of the season one
We got,
Shopkins.
no. Got Mixie and Millie.
Mixie and Maxie.
Mixie and Maxie, something like that. I'm not sure. I just know it's a blender and all that. Taco Terry. toasty bread. Beverly Hills. Bow. Little Molly moccasin, I think. No, that's Suzanne, I think. Got a waffle. And a wobbles. Alright, I think that's it for this video. So we will have part 3 coming up later. So tune in to watch it. Until next time. Bye. Bye.